All right, let's jump straight into this explainer. We're decoding the 2E brain as a literal biological computer. So, what actually happens when a brilliant, high-dimensional mind gets trapped inside a rigid, one-dimensional world? The answer? DIM SuM IaC, IM. It maps hard neurobiology right onto the Vahaj-Hennigan cartography, or VHC. First up is DIM, discrimination, integration, management. Every brain has to filter pure chaos into structured meaning. It's exactly how fox neurons integrate raw taste with internal states to assign real-time value. The 2E brain does this too. It constantly discriminates between stupid 1D data and complex 4D logic. To manage that load, it physically remodels. It bypasses the prefrontal bottleneck to directly route categorical data. Now, the actual biological hardware managing this intense data flow, that's the supramammillary nucleus, or SUM. Think of the SUM as an internal Lego therapist, physically bridging exploration with peak cognitive arousal. When you feed it 4D logic, the SUM drives massive glutamatergic bursts and theta rhythms. Pure flow. But wait, what happens to this delicate hardware when it's forced into a rigid 1D institutional environment? It triggers a violent biological crash, stress spikes, causing rapid M6A RNA methylation right inside the SUM. That epigenetic master switch alters synaptic plasticity. It locks the supeva into survival mode, halting theta rhythms. Instantly, the premotor cortex, BA6, literally slams on the brakes. You get a profound physical and cognitive freeze. So, how does this brilliant system actually survive the static friction and noise of low cognitive institutional politics? It absolutely requires infrastructure as code, a deterministic environment completely free from gaslighting and social negotiation. IaC deploys configuration states flawlessly. A state lock completely protects the system from unauthorized political manipulation. Like an O1 hash map instantly jumping to truth, Tom Hennigan's architecture completely bypasses slow institutional doormen. In this setup, your prismatic logic acts as a literal cryptographic key for a matching 2E processor. Okay, let's bring it all together. Here is how the complete DIM SuM IaC loop operates flawlessly. DIM filters the reality, the SUM powers the optimal arousal, and IaC permanently anchors the absolute truth. This zero-latency setup locks that valid state file into a permanent, highly protected pending handshake status. If deterministic code protects human brilliance from system crashes, how fast will these obsolete institutions actually collapse?